aligns well with what I want to do. This is the kind of support I have because the professors I'm working with are, do X, Y, and Z and how it's related. It's important that the reviewer says, wow, this person has potential, they have a good research plan, and they're at the right place and have enough support, whether it's intellectual support, financial support, whatever it is, to have a good grounding in that. And if we contributed to it, that would just make it all possible. When you are in doing so, in the creation of this document, when you're working on your personal statement, you usually have to talk a lot about your personal strengths. A lot of times, if there's anything in those guidelines that if the word leadership comes up at any point, you have to make sure that you address how you can be a leader in your field and if you've had any leadership roles. So if you've done research in the past and you've been in charge of any part of the analysis, that's something that's good to mention. If you've worked outside of academia in a leadership role, that's something that you should mention because those skills transfer. Talk about your ability to work independently and also in a team. It's really important that the passion you feel for whatever you are doing comes across. In whatever kind of proposal you're writing, you really have to be excited about what you're doing, and if you're not, the reader is going to know it unless you are just spectacular writer in that way, unless you should perhaps be in advertising or something else. In these type of applications where the funding is going directly to the student, again, it is giving the reader confidence that you know what you're doing, you're in the right place, you're supporting, you've got enough grounding to complete your studies where you are. That they're not gonna invest in you this year and then next year you're gonna quit. Like they really need to feel like you're gonna get it done. When you're getting your letters of recommendation, ask your professor, say, hey, I'm applying for this, could you write me a letter back?
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Like the GC is sorry.
How do you do that?
It says there's possible suspicious activity. It's really scary.
You're supposed to say prevent this.
I've never seen this before.
I've never
Do I have?
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can't close it.
Sabotage.
How?
Oh, that's horrible.
I don't
Yep.
know.
Whoa.
Sorry guys.
That's
I
okay.
like hacked or